Steve off of YouTube asked if the age of a single-family home affects the exemption under the Tenants Protection Act of 2019. Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm a landlord's attorney, and I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe our videos below. Now, Steve, to answer your question, yes, the age of a single-family home or any structure for residential use for that matter can affect whether or not they have an exemption under the Tenants Protection Act. And there is one exemption for new construction that has been built within the last 15 years. In legalese under the TPA, it's if the building has a certificate of occupancy issued within the last 15 years or less, you get an exemption from eviction and rent control under the Tenants Protection Act of 2019. A certificate of occupancy is a document that's issued when new construction is completed and it's certified by the county or city official for use as a residential dwelling. Basically, pretty much. It's like a final building inspection approving that building for dwelling use, pretty much. So the idea behind the exemption is it gives owners of a property the first 15 years of being exempt under the TPA, and it's to encourage builders and new landlords to create new types of housing. It's a carve out under the TPA that exempts those parties that engage in new construction to have whatever they don't have eviction and rent control for the first 15 years. And then after that, if the single family home will continue to have an exemption so long as you have the disclosure required under the TPA telling tenants that their building's exempt. Other multifamily dwelling users, not so much. If the building isn't a single family home or no other exemption applies, then after the 15 years, the first 15 years, those landlords, their tenancies will be subject to the TPA, and that's just by definition under the statute. So hopefully that answers your question, and please feel free to like, share, and subscribe these videos. If you have a question, put it in the comments and I'll try to answer them as best I can below. Till next time, we'll talk to you then. Thanks.